high, low-temp conveyor dishwasher. Some of its features are Energy Star approved, automatic water control system, 243 racks, 970 covers per hour, economical to operate, uses only 0.49 gallons of water per rack of dishes, single control switch activation, power rinse heater system. Unique 3-stage washing process provides wash, power rinse and final rinse all in a 44-inch machine. Unique 4-stage washing process provides 2 wash stations, power rinse and final rinse. Automatic soil purging system filters wash water and traps plate debris into an external tray. Tray can be easily removed for cleaning. All stainless steel construction offers durable performance and years of trouble-free operation. Chemical-resistant industrial heaters are proven to be more durable than commercial-grade heaters. Large 25-inch opening accommodates larger items and utensils. Auto start-stop makes operation more energy efficient. Easy to remove and replace curtains for cleaning. Includes table limit switch and rack saver clutch system that protects the machine, dish racks and table from damage. Stainless steel chemical injection chamber. High temperature, low temperature, 44-inch, 66-inch conveyor dishwasher. For leasing or buying, please contact us at our website located in the description below this video.